Children, today I shall teach you how to make passive voice of models. Let us see. This is subject, shall upon will, verb first, object. This is active voice. Now, object will take place of subject, then shall or will. After that, we will add be, then this verb first will be changed into verb third, then by. After that, this subject will take place of object. Like in active voice, I, me, we, us, you, they, them, he, him, she, her, it. This is change of pronouns. Now examples. I shall help you. This is active voice. You is changed. You will see here that no change because you is you. Then you will be helped by me. You have understood? She will teach us. Us will be changed into we. We shall be taught by her. They will win this race. This race will be won by them because this is noun singular and this is also noun singular. I shall buy a car. A car will be bought by me. He will scold me. I shall be scolded by him. Now some other rules. Subject plus modals plus verb first, object. We will bring object in place of subject, then modals, then be, then this verb first will be changed into verb third, then we will apply by. After that, this subject will take place of object. This is the rule of passive voice. Let us see some examples. He can lift it. It can be lifted by him. She could teach us. We could be taught by her. He might help you. You might be helped by him. They should eat healthy food. Healthy food should be eaten by them. I hope you are understanding very well. If you have any problem, you can ask in comment. I used to write letters. Letters used to be written by me. We must follow the instructions. The instructions must be followed by us. Children, I have taught you how to make passive voice from modals. With the help of modals, modals itself are active voice, then we change them into passive voice. I hope you have understood very well. If you have any problem, you can ask by writing in comment. I hope you will subscribe the channel and watch all the videos carefully.